Manipur da Jal Jeevan Mission gi makha da yumthong lakh ahum lising kuntrom doiga samanga kuntrama pan da ising phangan kraina website ta thagalakraba matung lupa crore lising amaga chani sumna ani gi project asida Achouba Shenja-Thumja Chatharamba Thengnare haina ngasi su national gi thakta lebak miyam da Manipur gi Lok Sabha gi MP Dr. Angomsa Bimol ko jamna pogdam krai ngarang Manipur High Court ta hiram sugi matang da court monitor investigation ama Chatharamba PIL ama thakraba matung ngasina New Delhi gi AICC headquarters da pangthokpa national media briefing ama da Kumbi Assembly constituency da Congress ki mirep oikiba JNU gi assistant professor Khangembam Ramesh Usarga ki national media briefing adu da MP Bimol akoijamna pawmising da haikiba da District Development Coordination and Monitoring Committee DISANA Committee ki chairperson amo oina state asigi district sing da satuna kungang singi phibam yengsin ki maduda panchayat taret nipan lomdi Jal Jeevan Mission gi makada functional water tap pibade lairadana project asigi mamita daba mafam thengnar ki adumainamak mission asigi website ta sangduna yengnuba matamda functional tap water fangkre haibagi beneficiary list ta mioi kyagi maming matha yoromba thengnar ki Achouba scam ama sathare haibagi wafam asi mahana miyam da putorpa horokpadagi beneficiary list yaukraba singi mafam kharada nauna JJM gi ising pipe sangbalapagi mami ure haina photo galori na miyam da pawdam ki national media gi pawmi singna hangba wahangda MP Bimol akoijam na makha taraduna hai beneficiary list maming matha yaromba thengnare haina kunja singda pawdam lubada angak papokwa fawu yauki Jal Jeevan Mission gi makha da Manipur da central lengana lupa crore lising ama khara henbage Senpam putoktuna amadi state lengana crore samga kunmari henbagi senpam putoktuna puna lupa crore lising amaga chani sumna ani sangna paikat pa loikrava Jal Jeevan Mission gi project asida Achouba senpam ge Shenja-Thumja sathare hiram asida Manipur High Court nasu PILM case adu chayol asigi manungda listed tawragani haibagi thajaba thamni haina MP Bimol akoijamna makha taki
Scam in Manipur involving Jal Jeevan Mission. In the last Lok Sabha, I asked the minister to give me the details of how many households they have provided water connection in rural. They said that there are 25,920, which is 5.74% of the rural household had tap water connection in Manipur. But after the launch of Jal Jeevan Mission, they have added 3,33,539 more households. What I have discovered is that when from one village panchayat to another, there is no physical connections at all. So I have visited in the recent times also, 7-8 panchayats and tried to meet the local people and check one by one. And through some of our party workers and so on, we are still doing it. We are making them work on starting legal action to deal with us. I have also moved a case yesterday in Manipur High Court. There should be a court monitor investigation. It's a huge scam, but I wanted to inform the entire country that such a huge scandal has taken place amidst the tragedy that we have been going through for the last 2 years. It's strange that when I go to the fields and suddenly since I started investigating these things, they started laying pipe like this in a strange way. And the latest news is that they have put pipes for 15 houses. And strangely, they rolled these black pipes and left at the courtyard of the people to do it themselves. It's a mockery of entire process. So we are expecting to have some legal accountability on this.